Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Samsung Galaxy M14 and you need to do a hard reset on it, but the screen lock is on and you've forgotten the pin code, so you're locked out. And we can actually bypass that pin code. It will erase it, but it will also wipe everything else off the phone. But if you're okay with that, we can go ahead and get started. The first thing you need to do is have your phone turned off. So if it's not turned off, you can turn it off. You can force it to turn off by pressing and holding the power and volume down buttons. And then as soon as it turns off, then you can switch to holding the power and volume up buttons. And you're just going to continue to hold that until the Samsung Galaxy logo appears on the screen. And then you're going to release the power button and continue holding the volume up button for a couple more seconds and then release that. And it might take you a couple tries to get the timing just right on that series of button pushes. But when you get it right, it will open this recovery menu for you, which is and you can scroll down using the volume buttons to the wipe data factory reset option and hit the power button to select it. Once you do that, it will open this confirmation page, which you can toggle down to factory data reset and hit the power button to select it, keeping in mind that as soon as you hit the power button here, there's no going back. Everything will be wiped off your phone. Once it does that, it will go through the wiping process and you will be able to select to reboot the system, and your phone will turn off and turn back on like it did the first day it came out of the box.